ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯎꯁꯝ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯈꯣꯝꯕ ꯃꯤꯇꯩ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅꯤ. Hi everyone. Today we'll be doing chapter number 10 of class 7 English, Manipuris in the Olympic Games. At one time, no one could think of the Manipuris competing in the Olympic Games. But now, Manipur is proudly representing India. The players of Manipur are doing great in the arena of Olympic Games. ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯂꯝꯄꯤꯛ ꯒꯦꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯁꯦ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯊꯥꯖꯔꯝꯗꯦꯀꯣ but nowadays Manipur the players of Manipur are representing India very proudly and they are doing great in the Olympic Games. So talking about Olympic Games, the Olympic Games have their origin in ancient Greece. The ancient site, the ancient place of the Olympic Games was Olympia, which is in southern Greece. So where is Greece? Greece is a country in the southeastern Europe. Europe continent ki southeastern part leba country amakhni ko. So Greece has thousands of islands. So and Greece shares its border with the Albania, a country called Albania in the north, and North Macedonia, and again Bulgaria. And lastly, to the east, the eastern side of the Greece, it shares its boundary with the country called Turkey. So the athletic contest in honor of Zeus, the Greek god Zeus, were held every 4 years in that place of Olympia in ancient site of the Greece. So there was a kind of athletic contest, a competition of athletic, means a sportsman's. So a competition was held for every 4 years in honor of the Greek god Zeus. And the games formally began from the year 776 BC, before Christ. So before the birth of Christ, 776 years ago. So these Olympic Games, it formally began in that sacred place of Olympia. But the Roman Emperor, one Roman Emperor was there. His name was Theodosius I. And he stopped the competition. He stopped the Olympic Games of those time, in ancient time, in the year 393 AD. So, but after centuries ago, after centuries later, so in the year 1892, there was a Frenchman. His name was Le Baron Pierre de Coubertin. And this guy, Le Baron Pierre de Coubertin of France, he brought back the games. So he proposed the Olympic Games to be revived in the year 1892. He proposed the organization of modern Olympic Games. So he have an idea, he have a desire to organize such a kind of game called Olympic Games, where every countries can participate in that kind of games. So the first modern Olympic Games, it was held in 1896. So the games were held in 1896 in the same place called Athens. So where is Athens? Athens is the capital of Greece. So it was held in the same country, Greece, where the ancient Olympic Games was started. So in the earliest form of the games, I mean the ancient games. So here, Olympic Games we are going to discuss it in two ways. First one, ancient Olympic. Second one is modern Olympic. So modern Olympic, it was revived by the French guy Le Baron Pierre de Coubertin. And again, the ancient Olympic, it was held starting from 776 BC, but it was stopped at 393 AD. So in that earliest form of the games, there was only one sports item, no hockey, no football. It was only a foot race of 192 meters. So there was a race, a foot race. Lamjel ama khak chelami ko 192 meters khaktagi oiba ama. So no other games was included in that kind of Olympic Games in the earliest form. And no women were allowed to take part in that kind of games. So it was meant only for men only. No women was present there. No women were allowed to take part in that kind of ancient Olympic Games. Even in 1896, when the first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens, there was no woman. So no woman, no girls were allowed to participate in 1896. And in that games of 1896, the first modern Olympic Games, I'm talking about the modern Olympics Games here, not about the ancient games. In that games of 1896, the first modern Olympic Games, 13 countries took part. Only 13 countries took part in the games, and there were only 311 athletes. So here, athletes means the sports person. So only 13 countries, and how many athletes? 311. So women began to take part from 1900 only. So after 4 years, which another Olympic Games was held in Paris. Where is Paris? Paris is in France, the capital of France. So in that year, 1900, women began to take part from that year. So there were only 11 women who took part in that games, only in golf and tennis. Golf, that you use a long stick and you hit the ball, then the ball falls into a pit ko. That is called golf. Golf kumba, tennis kumba, the 11 women kak sanay ko. So 11 women je game ani sanay. However, in the field and track events, so in field events like hockey, football, or like track events like running, foot race, so women take part only from 1928 at a very later period. And when it comes about India and especially Manipur, so because we are going to deal here especially with the Manipuri players here. So Indian players, India has been taking part in the Olympics for many years. So in hockey, India won the gold medals many a times. So, but in individual sports, India has not done well. So India ki performance wise, so India has been doing great in hockey, in the games of hockey, but India has failed. India is not so good in individual sports. Individual sports will mean those games where players are playing individually, not in a team. Suppose boxing or weightlifting or gymnastics. So in those kinds of individual sports, India has not been doing much great. But in team sports, in hockey, the Indian hockey men's team have won 8 gold medals, 8 Olympic gold medals in all. In all together, they have won 8 times. So gold medal. So 6 of them in a row from 1928 to 1956. In straight away, starting from 1928 to 1956 pa say Olympic khuding magte straight ta hay tare ko mo na row amada adum mo na gold medal sa lower lae. And added 2 more at Tokyo. Where is Tokyo? Tokyo is in Japan. So they added 2 more. They won 2 more gold medals in Tokyo in 1964 and in Moscow 1980. So till 2016, in the Rio de Janeiro Games, which was held in Brazil. So Rio de Janeiro is a place in Brazil. So in 2000 till up to 2016, India have won 9 bronze medals, 4 silver medals, and 1 gold medal. So this information, precisely the numbers and medals, numbers of medals and the years will keep on changing. You will need to get updated from time to time. Leander Paes. So there is a guy called Leander Paes. So he's a sports person, very famous sports person. He won the first bronze medal in 1996 Atlanta Games. So Olympic Games held in Atlanta. So Atlanta Games 1996, he won the first bronze medal for India. So I suggest you to search these names which I'm mentioning here in this class. So you can either do Google search or ask your elders. You can even find their news through various newspapers and magazines or sports magazines. So here, Leander Paes won the first bronze medal in 1996 Atlanta Games. And again, another guy, Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore, mentioned in your book very clearly, he won the first silver medal in 2004 Athens Games. Then Abhinav Bindra, he won the first and only gold medal till date in 2008 Beijing Olympics. So where is Beijing? Beijing is in China. So in the Olympic Games held in China in 2008, Abhinav Bindra got the first gold medal, and that is the only gold medal till now. So in the Olympic Games held in China, Beijing 2008, in the year 2008, Abhinav Bindra won the first and only gold medal till date. So till now, he is the only person individually who got the gold medal. So in team events, India has been winning lots of gold medals in playing hockey, but for individual sports, Abhinav Bindra is the only sports person who got the gold medal till now. And again, Mary Kom from Manipur won bronze medal in 2012 London Olympics. So Olympic Games held in London. So she got a bronze medal. in boxing. And again, so 2012 was actually a great year for India. India won the highest number of medals in 2012. In that year, India won 2 silver and 4 bronze medals. Now, the state of Manipur has begun to play her part. So, Manipuri players have been doing well in sports at the national and international level. If we remember the history of sports persons of Manipur, there are some famous and unforgettable names. So these unforgettable names of earlier times includes Mr. N. Maipak, so who won the title of Mr. India, then Thoiba, Nilkamal, Tiken. So these 3 persons have been great hockey players from Manipur. So actually Nilkamal is the first Olympian from Manipur who played hockey. So you should never forget about them. And they are our precious players of Manipur who have inspired lots of young talents. In football too, majority of Indian players are from Manipur. And not only that, in hockey, cycling, boxing, weightlifting. So Manipuri women, not even men, the Manipuri women, they have reigned the world of sports. They have been doing lots of great things. So women are doing even better than men. So Surjalata, Tingong Laima, and Sushila were captains of Indian women's hockey team. So these 3 persons, they have been the captains of this Indian women's hockey team. And when it comes to individual sports, no doubt Mary Kom has become the most popular face at the international level presently. But we can never forget Kunjarani or Sanama Chachanu, who took part in the Athens Olympics of 2004. So Kunjarani, luckily or unluckily, she came out 4th in the Olympic Games. Now today, let's have a quick recap what we have learned today. So first, when did the Olympic Games first start? It started in the year around 776 BC, where? In Greece, in a country called Greece. So who stopped that ancient Olympic Games? Theodosius I, the Roman Emperor. Then who revived the modern Olympics? A guy from the country called France, a Frenchman named Le Baron Pierre de Coubertin. He revived the modern Olympic Games. So he brought back the modern Olympic Games. So he proposed it for the modern Olympic Games in the year 1892, and the first modern Olympic Games was held in 1896, where? In Athens. So who is the first Olympian from Manipur? Nilkamal, the great hockey player. Then let's remember some names of captains I have mentioned here earlier, who have been captains of women's hockey team of India. The first one is Surjalata, Tingong Laima, and Sushila. So what about weightlifters? So Kunjarani and Sanamacha. Kunjarani came out 4th in the 2004 Olympics. And of course, we can never forget the international star, Mary Kom. Okay, so in this session, we have learned about lots of names, lots of glorious history of the sports person of India and Manipur. I hope you like it.